Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix oops we couldn't find the matching credentials on Snapchat. This error means your login info doesn't match Snapchat's record. First of all, make sure the username you put in is actually correct, case matters. Then reset your password from the login page, and then go ahead and open your app store, search for Snapchat and see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update your account to the latest version. If it shows an open button like mine, then that means your account is already updated, so you don't have to worry about updating it. Next, go ahead and switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data to rule out network issues. And now, if none of these work, if you recently changed your password, wait for 5 to 10 minutes before logging in. And yeah, safety tip: never try random passwords too many times. You can get logged out. Quick fix: log in using your email instead of for your username, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.